go on a road trip. All right, so we are headed to Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. It's about a 2.5 hour drive from here. 2:15 if you can do the speed limit and not have to stop. So let's get going. I don't know how much driving footage I have. I don't have my magnetic holder. So we'll just call that a day, and I'll probably film as we're rolling in there. All right, well, we're all set up here out at the fairgrounds at Detroit Lakes, kind of on the back side of the arena here. I'll show all the vehicles once they show up. Got a jig break coming in. I don't know what's going on here. Some entertainment for something? Not sure. All right, try to film this real quick. We got the Mustang here. So get your Rat Rod raffle tickets this summer. It'll be at all the shows that are listed on my website. So check it out. Get yourself a raffle ticket and win this bad boy. This is just the inaugural car show, so there's a few cars here, not a ton, but more than they kind of expected. So I'll walk you around and show you what cars showed up, and I'll probably have to put some music over this. So enjoy.
On the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind, and I'm so tired I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. Have hope. So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers. They say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
Kind of a homecoming for the '67 Mustang. Chris Espy, who actually does volunteer work with PAD, he's a volunteer fireman here in Detroit Lakes. He does work with PAD on getting the dogs acclimated with, when emergencies happen, whatever. He had this car. He donated the car. One of our club members, Ryan Mueller, donated the chassis. Together with Andy Selly, he got the Mustang. We have tickets available. They're $50 a piece. This is a running, driving, titled, insured car. It will be street legal. It's a 351 fuel injected with an E4OD electronic automatic transmission, working four-wheel drive. It's got, we had seats that were donated from a guy out of a Corvette. leather 6-way Corvette seats. Everything will work in the dash as far as gauges. Even the check engine light will work if you want to know that the motor's not running properly. Tires donated by Falcon Tires. The guy taking the video was a huge donation for the build. Thank you very much, Patrick. Another buddy of mine owns Budget Blinds of Duluth. He donated some cash towards the build. We do have a sheet that lists all the new parts in it. There's a ton of new parts. A lot of stuff went into this build. Been a fun project. Here it is. We've got tickets available. Get a hold of me. Get a hold of Patrick. Anybody at Mid-Minnesota Motorheads, look us up on our website, Facebook page, any social media.
All right, awesome. Thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Patrick. Appreciate it.
Gonna have Doug crawl up in here real quick and fire this baby up. She sounds so good. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a beast. Get your raffle tickets, everybody.